What's up everybody? Welcome back to the video. For today's video, my man Nick from Mayhem Metalworks.
Well, a little backstory.
When I went to Ibach, California, I came across this vendor there called Mayhem Metalworks. And what he has is like these dope crash bars. Bash bars, if you want to say. Brash bars. You know what I mean? On brip. And I've thought to myself, since in Florida, we're always late to the scene. Like, in my opinion, I think Florida is always late to like all the cool parts that California gives. So I thought maybe I should reach out to Nick. You know what I'm saying? See if he'll like sponsor a video with his bash bars. Lo and behold, we have some bash bars. So first and foremost, Nick, I humbly appreciate you, and I'm glad I can rock your parts on the car, and I can't wait to show you guys how these bad boys look. So first things first, let's get these bad boys unboxed and yeah. So here are my beautiful bars when I get unwrapped for you guys. But also, he sent your boy some stickers, so I'm slapping these on the back of the hatch. And also got me a Mayhem Metalworks t-shirt. Nick's already my homie, you know what I mean? That's our homie. Check out these beautiful bars, bro. Oh my God. Check out how gorgeous. Oh, the finish. Look at the welds, bro. Look at that, bro. Ooh. Ice. Yeah. My God. So beautiful. Nick, you killed it, bro. Nick, you freaking killed it. And this would be the front. And this would be the rear. Oh, look at that tag. Oh, that's so nice, man. Well, I can't wait to get these bad boys installed. Yeah. I was planning to do a cinematic of the bars and everything, but bro, I need a stabilizer, dog. At least a handheld, something. Cause bro, my hands, I'm trying to go like this. It's like all like this, you know what I mean? I could probably do it like this. Yeah, I don't know, man. But let's get this front bumper off. Let's get the rear bumper off, but we're gonna start with the front first. And look at that gap. Look at that gap, man. Ugh, it's like a glory hole. Please don't demonetize me. But let's start by getting the front bumper off and getting the front bar on. Can see I don't have my crash bar because when I crashed it got all like booty duty, because if you can see right here I was in an accident. Yeah, that's why this looks like that, but everything else lines up fine, so I ain't tripping there, am I? The front is complete, boy. I'm gonna have to move the car more in the sunlight, but fire. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys, if you would like to mount your intercooler, you can. One there, one there, one there, there. So that's a total of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 mounting posts. So now that we got the front done, let's go work on the rear. The rear bumper is off, and this is my factory crash bar. And this mug is heavy, and it looks ugly. Let's say if I want to run the no bumper, right? I don't have to have this nasty thing showing no more. I'm gonna have a clean bar. Now to access the bolts on this bar, I believe it is somewhere up in there. I think. I don't know, I never took off a back crash bar before, but I'm pretty sure somewhere. Oh, they're right here. These two 17mm bolts would knock off this John right here. All 4 bolts are loosened, and I'm pretty sure all I have to do for this is just pull it out now. So our bar is now ready to install, and I already got the light fixtures all set up. And all the hardware supplied for you to install your light fixtures. All you have to do is remove the OEM bracket. It's 4 screws to remove the bracket from the bumper, and then 2 screws to remove the bracket from the light fixture itself. So yeah, now let's get this bad boy installed. I got the 2 bolts fastened there, 2 bolts fastened there, and then now our bar. Woo. Woo. Look at that ice, boy. Ice, ice, ice. Yeah. All right, bumpers are all back on. Randy's piloting the Integra, which means he's here, which means there can only be one thing. Which means you have successfully finished yet another video. I'm getting proud of you. Almost there. You're almost there. And before you click off, hold on, Playboy. You know your boy Zosh got you with the discounts. If you would like your own set of Mayhem Metalworks crash bars for your whip, but you have to have a Del Sol, a EG, or an Integra, whether it's strap front or USDM. I think that's about it. But if not, just check the website. I got you covered, Playboy, with discount code ZOSH19 for only 3 days. So you have 3 days from you watching this video right now, 3 days from when this video is posted, to get 10% off your own set of brash bars on Brip Blood. So you have 72 hours to act fast. Yeah. But with that out the way, I would like to thank my man Nick from Mayhem Metalworks for making this video possible. The Integra is looking bad and bougie, and I love it. So Nick, thank you, brother. I'll leave all the information down below to get in contact with Mayhem Metalworks for your own set of bash bars. I'm in. Brash bars. Instagram down below, and also his website. So if you'd like to learn more and want to even purchase your own set of brash bars, then be sure to click the links down in the description box below. And that is going to wrap it up for today's video. I will see you guys in 2 days with the next one, and I know you guys will love the next one. Just be prepared, because thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.